Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video I'm going to talk about the latest update regarding the WCoin Wallet Connect. So Wallet Connect in WCoin, it has its own important, but it has a main importance like on WCoin journey. So if you didn't connect your wallet in WCoin, so maybe it's gonna affect your airdrop, like they are going to maybe gift you to the along users that are going to get in the airdrop, because the wallet connection is the main thing, is the major thing that are going to confirm then you are human, you are a real person to get the airdrop. So if you didn't do so, maybe they are going to take you as bot and ban your account or keep you aside, so that maybe later if you connect your wallet, they are going to count you in the users that are going to get in the airdrop. So without being said much, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's click on cancel, because I don't want to buy the jackpot, because this jackpot it used to cost some penny. So but right now I didn't like to pay some penny to the WCoin airdrop, because like I'm really bullish on WCoin, but right now I didn't like wish to pay some penny to get the any something or allocation or something or anything there, anyway. So as you can consider, like when you enter your WCoin, like here's the interface of the WCoin. All you need to do is to come and click on this section, which is similar to wallet. So when you click on it, all you need to do is to come this section, like in this verified account. If your wallet is connected like this, so you are good to go. You don't need to bother yourself. Your wallet has been already connected. And then again, if you don't forget, like earlier before, we have already, they brought us a new tax, a latest tax, that we need to connect our Trust wallet and Tone wallet. So that Tone wallet that we connected earlier before, it is a main wallet that we are being connected. Already we connected the wallet, but it is just a reminder, like the users that didn't did that tax later. So it will be advisable for you to come and connect your wallet, because wallet connecting, it is the main thing, it is the major thing that you are going to get in the airdrop. If you didn't connect your wallet, doesn't mean that you are not going to get in the airdrop, since we don't know the actual like system or actual how they are going to give the airdrop to the community. But wallet connecting, it is the major thing that are going to make you in a certainty of getting the airdrop. So as you can see, like here is the main criteria of the WCoin, which is can see like we have a token launch, a game launch, we have a growing community, we have a blockchain selection. So they have been already first with this one. The other one that left for the WCoin, it is WCoin airdrop, exchange listing, and then mini app rebuilding, which is maybe season 2. So mini app rebuilding, maybe they are going to be like season 2. So I don't know, I just predict it. So maybe then they are going to be like in season 2, because like too many Telegram airdrop they used to Milcom community, like in the season 2 airdrop or season 2 like participation. So when you participate in season 2, so they are going to be using you and gather some much money, like to rebuild the community and rebuild the coin on the market. So here it is. So the purpose of making this video is to connect your wallet. If your wallet is not connected, I will advise you to do so, so that you will be eligible to get in the airdrop. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.